There is no road to happiness. Happiness is a way in and of itself. We all look for or find happiness in various things. Some of us could define it as financial freedom, anything, love, success, a dream job, and others we produce vibrations, and there is a connection. Reality is significantly influenced by vibrations. The law of vibration is responsible for all the universe possesses and how it functions. Every atom and subatomic particle vibrates and resonates at a different frequency. In this universe, everything moves, vibrates, and has its frequency. So, based on the frequency we send toward various objects, we attract and repel certain things. Would it be believable to you guys that you can attract anything you want? Any desires you want to be reality can get attracted just by using the laws of vibration. The laws of attraction and the laws of vibration are responsible for everything we want and desire in life. According to the laws of attraction, we attract what we think. What we think and do things emits a vibration. So in this video, we are going to learn about how to manifest our desires into reality using the law of vibrations. So let's get started without any delay. Everything in this universe is vibrations. Our thoughts and emotions have a magnetic force. We emit a certain kind of vibration about everything, every feeling we feel, and every thought or the emotions we think of and feel has its vibration. If someone is feeling sad, and when we ask them how they are feeling, they generate low vibration frequency. Have you noticed when someone shares some bad news or something that is making them unhappy, we feel low and emits the same kind of vibration? That's because we start to resonate similar vibrations. And when someone is happy or sharing a piece of good news, we feel happy as they also resonate good positive vibrations. We interact through vibrations and frequencies, not just with the people, but with the universe and God. We generate different frequencies and energy on every thought and emotion we think of or feel. We can shape the world we live in just by emitting the vibrations. This influences the reality we attract. We live in the grand orchestra of life, and each one of us has our instrument, the instrument we use to resonate and tune with the universe. Through the law of attraction, we attract things we think of, and vibration plays a significant role in connecting our thoughts and emotions to the universe. It helps in bringing our alignment together and manifesting our desires into reality. Once Nikola Tesla said, "If you want to find the secrets of the universe, think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration." Yes, just like in radio broadcasting, our thoughts and feelings are continuously sending signals to the universe. And when we get to tune the feelings with the universe, we get a response from the universe in terms of reality. The key to manifesting anything is feeling the emotions. And when we emit or show certain kinds of emotions, we emit certain kinds of vibrations. Each level of vibration operates on a different level of frequency. Let's take an example of a cell phone. You can send your friend a text message living far away from you. You click one button and ding. Your friends receive a text from you from the other end. That's because you both are on the same level of frequency. Now, when we look at it through the lens of the practical world, we see that everything that has ever existed in this universe, or that exists and will exist, has its frequency. So, anything you want in the future, or the desires you have their frequency. They are vibrating on their level of frequency. So, to attract those desires, we have to become one with them, with their vibrations. And with no time, we attract them to us. We attract what we desire and shape our reality. By consciously directing our thoughts and emotions, we manifest things we want. It could be money, success, or a significant loving partner. It is up to your desires what you want and desire. But the key is to reach up to the level of vibration to your desires. So, what should be done to use the law of vibration correctly? Worry not, because we are going to learn some tricks and ideas on how to manifest using the law of vibrations. First, we need to connect to our inner body. This powerful practice has a significant way to help us align with our true selves. Now, how to connect with our inner self? We can practice mindfulness. Place yourself in a relaxed position and close your eyes. Now pay attention to your breathing. Breathe deeply in and out until you can hear your breaths. Once you've attained a state of relaxation in which your entire body feels comfortable and loose, notice and scrutinize your entire body to look for any areas where tension is held. Feel the connection with your inner self and your body. Another way to achieve mindful awareness is body scanning. Our body holds the trauma and tension that it experienced earlier in life. The physical tension could be there either from physical trauma or emotional trauma. That does not matter. Body scanning is a way of finding out the areas in the body that captures tension and trauma from our past experiences. Now take deep breaths and scan the whole body and encounter the areas of the body that holds the tension and trauma. Now, once you find out the affected areas, imagine breathing into those areas, releasing tensions and trauma while you exhale. Practice regularly, and when you do so, invite relaxation and calmness into those areas. Grounding exercises are one of the great techniques to practice mindful awareness and connect to nature and the universe. Have you noticed that you feel a different sensation when you connect to nature? For example, walking barefoot on the ground or putting your legs inside the flowing river. The sensation hits differently. This helps in realizing any stress or trauma that our body beholds. This practice helps in connecting to the Earth's surface. Meditation can help you on many different levels. Practicing meditation is one of the easiest and simplest ways to practice mindfulness awareness. Through meditation, we can guide our body to heal and emit positive vibrations along the way. Take deep breaths and visualize that every inhale you take removes all the trauma and heals every part of the body. Doing so prepares your body to emit the level of frequencies and vibrations that are positive and radiating positive energy, and attract the same kind of energy toward you. This will help you to shape your reality, the reality that you have desired. You attract what you feel because you and your feelings and thoughts emit vibrations. So, the key to attracting things you want in life is to radiate the emotions and vibrations that will resonate with the desires that you have in life. Remember that everything in this universe runs on its frequency and vibrations. So, practice the mindful awareness exercise to release the trauma and negative emotions your body has captured over a long time. Doing so helps you to feel positive every time, and you will attract what you feel. Imagine having a wonderful, happy life, the life of financial freedom, life with your loved one, a life full of abundance and prosperity. Don't just think about it. Emit the vibrations of happiness that you will have felt after having those desires. When you feel happy, you generate the same feelings and emotions, emitting the vibrations to the universe, manifesting the desires into reality. So practice mindfulness and positive thoughts. Practice positive affirmations and reprogram your subconscious mind to feel happy and full of positivity. The most important thing to understand about vibrations is that they are subjective. They are created by the observer and not by the observed. So it makes logical that you can create more inner peace, happiness, and a clearer sense of purpose by putting your attention on positive ideas and emotions and working to elevate your vibration.